Hello everyone!
Hi everybody! And welcome to Rhymetime at Oral Leisure and Libraries. And today we've got a springtime Rhymetime.
Very special springtime Rhymetime.
I'm really excited.
Me
Maz.
too.
Why are you excited?
I'm excited because I've got my wellies on and I'm going to go splashing up and down in the muddy puddles.
That's fabulous. And I'm going to fly a kite.
Yay!
And then even if it's raining, guess what we can see?
What can we see? The rainbows.
Rainbows.
We could go and find a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, couldn't we, Liz?
Certainly can.
Absolutely can do.
Shall we start with our hello song?
Say hello to our little friends there.
Hello everyone, how are you today? Very well, thank you, we're okay. We've just begun, we're going to have some fun. It's music, rhythm and rhyme. Hello, yay!
So, we've got a little treat for you today. We're going to read a story to you today, and it's all about this little chap here. Does anybody know who this is? It's Peter Rabbit. I'm going to read all about Peter.
We've got Peter hiding in our basket too. There he is.
There he is.
And our story today is, Where is Peter Rabbit? And it was written by the fabulous Beatrix Potter, and it was published by Penguin Random House Group. So shall we start, Laz?
Let's start our story, absolutely.
So, where is Peter Rabbit? Don't make a sound. Be quiet. Hush. Is that Peter by the blackberry bush?
Take a look.
Oh, is it?
No, it's not here. It's Flopsy.
Hello, Flopsy.
Hello, Flopsy.
Splish, splash, drift and float. Is Peter fishing on the lily leaf boat?
Let's have a look. Oh, no, it's not here. It's Mr. Jeremy Fisher.
I wonder where he is, Maz.
I wonder.
Naughty rabbit. He's hard to catch. Is that Peter in the lettuce patch?
Let's have a look. I don't think so, though. Oh, no, it's his friend. He's not here. It's Benjamin Bunny.
He's nibbling on a lettuce too. Where is that rabbit? Have you guessed? Is Peter sleeping in this nest?
Oh, no, it's not here. It's Jemima Puddle Duck.
Oh, and she's with her ducklings. Oh, let's see. Pitter patter, who can you see? Is Peter hiding behind the tree?
There he is. Come along, Peter. It's time for tea.
Yay! What do you think he's having for tea, Maz?
I think he's going to have carrots.
Oh,
He doesn't like a carrot.
He loves his carrots.
Crunchy carrot.
Big crunchy carrots. Yummy.
We're ready for some singing.
We have a rhyme about Peter Rabbit.
Oh, we do? Yes, I forgot about
don't
that one.
we? And what's he been up to with his bunny ears?
We'll have our bunny ears ready.
Have you got your bunny ears ready?
So,
Are you ready, Maz?
ready?
Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. And he swished it and he sloshed it and the fly flew away. Powder puff and curly whiskers. Powder puff and curly whiskers. Powder puff and curly whiskers. And he swished it and he swashed it and the fly flew away. That is really, really good. You enjoyed that song?
Me too. And now we're going to sing a new one that Liz has been teaching me. You see our kites?
Yes.
I'm going to think about 5 kites.
5 kites.
Are we ready?
They'll be flying in the sky.
Yes.
Are you ready, Maz?
Yes, I'll let you start.
5 little kites flying in the sky said hi to the clouds as they passed by. Said hi to the birds, said hi to the sun, said high to the aeroplane. Oh, what fun! Then whoosh went the wind, and they all took a dive. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yay! You sing it
Again. Let's do it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
5 little kites flying high in the sky said hi to the clouds as they passed by. Said hi to the birds, said hi to the sun, said hi to the aeroplane. Oh, what fun! Then whoosh went the wind, and they all took a dive. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yay!
Well done, everybody. That was lovely.
That was lovely.
And is Teddy going to play on the swing next?
Yes.
He's going to go to the park and play on the swing, isn't he?
Yes, because in the springtime you can play on the swings, slide on the slide, and Teddy's ready to do that, I think. You ready, Teddy?
Yeah.
Teddy plays on the swing, Teddy plays on the slide, Teddy plays on the swing, and Teddy plays on the slide, and he goes tick-tock, forwards and back, round and round he goes. Tick-tock, forwards and back, round and round he goes, and he goes tick-tock, forwards and back, round and round he goes. Tick-tock, forwards and back, round and round he goes. I think Teddy enjoyed that.
I think he did. He had a lovely time.
He did.
While Teddy was playing, we've got some little ducks to say hello. Hello. 5 little ducks.
5 little ducklings.
And their mummy duck.
And a mummy duck. And we've got all 5 little ducks.
3, 4, 5.
Are they at the pond?
They're at the pond.
They are at the pond.
They're having a little time splashing in the pond. Okay, and we know a song about our 5 little ducks too.
Yes.
5 little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mother duck said,
quack, 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 quack.
but
Only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mummy duck said, quack, 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 quack.
but only 3
little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mummy duck said, quack, 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 quack.
but
Only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mummy duck said, quack, 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 quack.
but only
1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mummy duck said, quack, 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 quack.
but none of the 5
dear.
little ducks came back.
No!
Sad
Sad Mummy duck went swimming one day over the pond and far away. Mummy duck said, quack, 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 quack.
And
All of the 5 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 quack. Yay!
Mummy Dog was really happy to have all of her little ducks
I
back.
definitely think she was.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So the next song we're going to do, it's a familiar tune, but with it being spring rhyme time, we've got a different song again, haven't we?
We
Liz?
have. Yeah.
So this one's called Sprinkle, Sprinkle, Watering Can. Are you
Yeah.
ready?
Sprinkle, sprinkle, watering can, sprinkling things all over the land. We can sprinkle way up high, we can sprinkle way down low. Sprinkle, sprinkle,
ready again to go and splash in more puddles and fly our kites.
Yeah, I'm off to fly my
Definitely.
kite. Definitely. And the sun is shining.
It's a lovely day.
It is.
And we'll get ready to say goodbye.
But we will see you soon.
See you again soon, everybody.
Okay. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. We're very glad you've come. We've had a lot of fun with music, rhythm, and rhyme. Yay! Hoorah! Bye! Bye!
Bye!
That's as good as it